In the competitive market of HVAC industry, if you wanted to stand out from the crowd and you wanted to operate in a blue ocean zone, then you need to do a niche marketing. Hi, my name is Praful Varma, welcoming you at another video of Moksh Lifestyle Hub. If you operate as a niche marketing for your specific topic related to HVAC industry, whether you are in a sales, marketing, communication, advertisement, or so on and so forth. Either of the topic which you choose, and if you wanted to do a very specific marketing to your customer, where you wanted to serve them, you wanted to retain them for a longer period of time or probably for a lifetime, or if you wanted to charge a premium to those customers, then you need to operate in niche marketing. So I'll take you to my screens here. We'll first of all understand like what is the niche marketing, and then I will tell you there are prominent 5 types of benefit which you're going to use in your day-to-day operation. Certainly you are going to get benefit out of it. So as you could see on my screen, first of all, we'll discuss about the concept. So why niche marketing? So when you are going to use the niche marketing, you'll be basically focusing on a specific target segment or a specific customer where you'll be solving a specific problem, and you will be position your business as a specialized or expert, and it will also help you to connect with your ideal customer. So in nutshell, if I'll say, if you are going to operate as a niche specialist or niche marketing, then in that particular case, you'll be establishing yourself as a specialized for that particular topic where you'll be serving your customer, and you will be only serving that customer. There will not be too many people who will be competing with you. So you will have advantage to curtailing it down, and you will be moving from red ocean zone where most of the people are operating and trying to promote their product and services. You will move out in the blue ocean zone where you will be serving your customer happily, and you will be only doing this. So this is the advantage of niche marketing, and it is a very powerful marketing. And if you are going to do that, initially it will take a little effort where you have to establish yourself as an expert. But once you will do this, you can enjoy that particular fruit for an entire life. So I will discuss with you here prominently. There are 5 benefits which I'm going to discuss here. If you are going to use the niche marketing, what are the benefits you are going to get from this? So first thing is, it will always help you to increase your expertise because you will be always focusing and working towards that particular problem, that particular challenge which you wanted to address it. So I'll simplify here so you can understand better. For example, a person who is a doctor, and if he is a physician, he may be doing a treatment for all kind of disease. But when you establish yourself as a specialized, you will be doing a treatment for that particular disease only. You may not be entertaining or catering to other diseases, though you have gone through the entire processes of MBBS or learning or studying the entire medication. So when you establish yourself as expertise, this gives you authority in the marketplace, saying that like you are expert for that particular problem, and you can address that particular problem where people who will get attracted towards you for getting the solution for those problems. So when you'll be operating as a niche marketing, it will always help you to increase your expertise, and you will be establishing your authority as a product or subject matter expertise for that particular specific topic or a specific marketing. So, and then you will be only targeting to the specific market. So you will have a specific target marketing, and people or even audience who resonate with your topic, they resonate with your subject, they always get attracted towards you. So you'll be cutting down the entire competition, and they come towards you where you can able to serve them, you can able to help them to solving their problem. And when you are operating in a niche marketing, then it always helps you, as I told you in initial days, like initial of these videos, where you can always reduce the competition. And when you reduce the competition, you will have advantage where you can serve happily to your customer, and that customer is going to be there with you for a longer period of time. So you have a better customer relationship also, which if you are going to do a niche marketing. And today, trust me, in a very few, if I talk about HVAC industry specifically, there are very few people who are operating in a niche marketing, or I could say rather, there are nobody who's operating in the niche marketing. So if you are going to establish yourself, if you are a consultant, or if you are expert, or if you are HVAC business, either of the cases, if you are going to establish yourself operating with your specialization as a niche marketing expert, it will help you to establish yourself in that particular market, where you can have always showcasing your expertise. You will be addressing to the certain amount of the people who may be requiring your services, and this helps you to reduce your entire competition, and you will have a better customer holding, where you will build your customer for a lifetime, or probably you will be getting a lot of referral business coming in as long as you go along with your customer. And then the last point comes is premium pricing. See, we all agree that whether you do consulting, whether you do any kind of freelancing, or whether you do business, or whether you are trying to promote your services or product, ultimate goal is we wanted to do a more and more customer acquisition, and same time we wanted to have a more profit optimization, where we can have a more customers, where we have a more opportunity to working with more customers. And ultimate goal is to building our empire, where we can have a more profitability coming in. So if you are going to operate in a niche market, then it will always help you to charge a premium to your customer. And if your customer will not feel pain to paying you, because they know that they are getting a specific kind of services which you can only offer it, and that helps you to build a strong brand empire or a strong business in a competitive environment, where you will have such a competitive, and when things are getting changed digitally, people are trying to reach more and more places. If you operate in a niche marketing, this is certainly going to give you more added advantages, where you'll have a customer for a lifetime, and you'll be optimizing your overall profitability. So I hope with this video I've tried to given you a lot of insight. If you wanted to be operating in a blue ocean zone, where you will be cutting down all the competition, then you need to establish yourself as a subject matter expertise, and you need to showcase your expertise and establish yourself as a HVAC specialist in your specific topic, using niche marketing, which will help you to optimize your profitability on a multiple fold, and you will be retaining your customer for a lifetime. So with this video, I try to give in a lot of insight. And if you are HVAC expert, professional consultant, or a business, and if you wanted to bring your HVAC business online, or if you wanted to build your digital studio, or if you wanted to scale your business on a rapid way, then I'm giving a link here. I'm giving a link in the description also. So you can click the link below, see the available slot, and you can block a meeting with me for 45 minutes, which is absolutely one-on-one, where you will be there, I'll be there. You can see me, we can see each other. I can understand your specific challenges. I can give you expert advice, which will help you to taking your businesses, taking your consulting business to the next level, where you can have a more profit coming in, and you'll be increasing your turnover. You'll be acquiring a customer for a lifetime. And if you like my video, then please do share with your friends and colleagues. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And if you have not pressed the bell icon, then certainly press the bell icon, because I'm keep on publishing a lot of HVAC, HVAC industry related, or HVAC sales related topics, which is very relevant, and you can utilize it in your day-to-day business, day-to-day activity, which will be certainly going to help you to moving towards your next level. So with this note, I'm closing this video here, and I'm going to see you with my new topic in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video. God bless you.